In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate restaurant in Waze. To get started, open Waze in your browser and wait for the homepage to fully load. This is where you'll begin the process of finding a specific restaurant on the map. If the page takes a moment to appear, just give it a few seconds so all of the map tools load properly before moving on. Once you are on the homepage, take a quick look around the screen so you can get familiar with the layout. Waze can show several panels and map controls, so knowing where everything is will make the search much easier. The main thing you'll be focusing on here is the area on the right-hand side of the screen. Now look to the right-hand side and find the pencil icon. This icon is important because it opens the editing and location tools you'll need to work more directly with the map. When you see it, click on the pencil icon to continue. If you don't notice it right away, scan the side panel carefully since it can be easy to miss among the other interface elements. After that, move your attention to the search bar. This is where you'll enter the location details for the restaurant you want to find. Make sure you click inside the search field first so your typing goes into the correct place. Next, type in the address of the restaurant, then press enter on your keyboard. Using the address helps Waze narrow down the exact location more accurately than a general name search in many cases. If you know the full address, that's best, but even a partial address can often help point you in the right direction. Once the search has been submitted, hover over the map area and start reviewing the location results. This gives you a visual way to confirm whether the place shown matches the restaurant you're trying to locate. Pay attention to nearby roads, landmarks, and the general map position so you can verify you're looking in the correct area. From there, locate the restaurant you are looking for on the map. Take your time with this part, especially if the area is busy or has multiple businesses close together. It's helpful to compare the map view with the address you entered so you can be more confident that you found the right place. If the map looks too broad or details are hard to make out, use zoom in to see it more clearly. Zooming in makes individual buildings, roads, and location markers easier to identify. This is especially useful when several restaurants are close to each other, and that's how to locate a restaurant in Waze. Once you found it clearly on the map, you're ready to review the area or continue with whatever you need to do next.